just stay for grand finals.
Well, it's gonna be like another hour.
Not really. There's only 2 more matches after this. Okay, game 1 going in. We got Flood versus no problem, King. Got Flood versus Charls. Charles just doing a nice run and losers, beating just beat Tranimal for the fucking legit Sheik. Who else did he beat? I can't really tell, but yeah. Anyway, so game 1, final destination. This is like a pretty good stage for both characters, but if Peach pulls out the chain grabs, then it could be a pretty legit, pretty hard matchup for Fox for sure. Okay, first stock going to the Peach, regardless, but I think it was just good use of turnips, good few hits with down smash. No jump, can you get an edge guard here? Okay, no he can't, he misses it. Vanitas hat, he's waiting in grand finals. He took out the Waz in winners, he took out Sauce in winners, took out a lot of people in winners, so yeah. It's gonna be good. Monster's texting girls. Okay, I'll close up there. Oh, that down smash is so strong. When he gets the right hit with it so that it sends him off stage, and you can go for like a turnip edge guard. So up throw, I feel like the opposite to not go for a second grab, even though he got a guaranteed one. But just for a nooch. Up air gonna kill their stilettos. Not bad game. Muck Feely. Muck Fox.
Vanitas is in winners on their side. Sitting
Grand finals, yeah, that's what I said, yeah. Okay, even game. So Charles, he loses a stock, he brings it back, he gets a lead, and then he loses the lead. No, okay, that up tilt just caught. And that back air was pretty smart, popped him forward. Saturn, okay, he's going for he's going for these sweet spotted up Bs, and then he's opting to just do a side B onto stage to try to catch Kenneth off guard. He's done that every time he's recovered now, so I don't know if it's working for him or what he thinks, but okay, good forward throw. That was a good catch. I don't understand. That's a stock, yeah. Trolls.
Forward throw.
Yeah, he almost had a kill there, but he was like a little percentage low. That should kill. Okay, even stocks game 1.
I don't think he was floating high. Okay, anyways.
Yeah, it really is. With this combo, that neutral is going to take it. Takes his jump,
That's his matchup
pops him up.
Nutshell.
Yeah, it's so tough.
It's even.
Yeah.
One of us is going to die. 0 to death style.
That was pretty much a 0 to death. That's as 0 to death you can get.
I can always see Charles win.
Yeah, for the sake of entertaining melee, I want to see Charles win,
Yeah.
but that's just like, I don't know, like I really like Fox, how Fox plays, but Kenneth
For the sake of my bets, man. Like,
oh yeah, the monies.
Yeah.
This is all for the guap, right? This is all for the money.
I'm losing my side bets.
Okay, still even in stocks, but Charles had a way higher percent. That turnip's gonna snipe him out. But he makes it back. Okay, so the fair didn't trade. It just went right through it. Usually Peaches go for that trade, and they just get hit back toward the stage. So Kenneth pulls out a dot eye, throws it away because he's at 0%. He's not gonna do too much. Charles waiting him out. That shield was teeny. Kenneth's so scared he just air dodges off stage. It's the fear factor.
Laughs it off.
Yeah, fear factor right there. He just kind of shows him.
It's more of the jank factor. And
Yeah, he's like, if I get hit one more time, my shield's done. So I'd rather not get humiliated and get my shield broken on.
I think I'm just gonna kill myself.
Yeah, no, he's gonna before the shield gets broken.
Before I get styled on.
Because that's embarrassing, right? Getting a shield broken. You know? So it's like in 64, people laugh at them when you get shield broken, and it's like, that game is so easy to break shield in. Melee, it's a lot harder, but when it happens, everyone's like, goes crazy.
And I did it on stream.
Yeah, I also did it on stream.
You didn't see it though.
Oh, you told me about it too. Okay, Charles is putting some work right now. Hefty work, got a stock lead. He's coming in, he's getting great drills to grabs. Just try to get an up throw up air, just snipe out the Peach at a low percent. What percent does up throw up air kill on this stage? It's low. It's like 70. Yeah. Okay. So he was at 69% right there, and he died. So that's why you gotta pick this stage. But the problem is that Peach has some really good stages too. You know, Fountain of Dreams, not Battlefield, Dreamland. And Fox, he's good on those stages too, but he's just not. Okay. Kenneth goes out there again and he doesn't get the trade that he's looking for. Okay, interesting combo. Those were like on the spot combos. Like, okay, I screwed up I screwed up my movement. I'm just gonna dash attack him at the edge, and just hopefully it works. So, put on some good percentage. Most Fox things will Fox and kill now. But up throw up air is a little bit over his percentage. Okay, swift pivot up smash and just suicides off.
Who needs up throw up air when you have up smash? You know? 1-1. Peach combos. It was just like 3 or 4 dash attacks.
Yeah, it works.
I'm kind of a hater for it, but
So we got game 3 coming in here on Yoshi's Story.
now, why do you think he picked this stage, Curtis?
Because Kenneth likes this stage, and it puts him in a very tight environment where he can punish better if the Fox makes a mistake. So before,
basically, it gives Fox less room to move around.
Yeah.
And
down smash
he can get his punishes really effectively on the stage. Even though Fox could easily kill Peach on the stage.
Like, that's dead jab
like
up
right
smash
there.
on shield. Like,
yeah.
That would have killed on most stages, but you just
not on Dreamland.
Not on Dreamland.
But he didn't pick Dreamland.
Yeah, exactly. He's saving Dreamland for later in the match because, you know, once you win on a stage, you can't pick it again. And if you win your first game on Dreamland and then you like fuck up later in the set, you can't have that super reliable stage to fall back on.
Yes, but he didn't win on Dreamland.
But not yet, so that's why he didn't pick it right away.
This isn't like a best of 7. Like.
No, but it's best of 5, so that's why he didn't pick it in his second game. You know, if you see yourself lose 2 stocks, right?
Right.
You're like, oh, what did I do wrong? I was playing on Pokemon Stadium, it's a bad stage. No one expects him to pick Yoshi's Story. So it could mess with the player's head. Okay, that up smash just catches. That was really close. Kenneth wipes his brow.
I don't know what Paris is talking about.
I'm just saying that, like, I see why he didn't pick Dreamland right away, because he's saving it for...
He's saving it?
He's saving it for if Charles wins another game.
I guess for game 5,
Yeah,
yes.
exactly. And Kenneth's in that advantage, because he got the first game, he's in that position to have that extra counter pick. That jab just, like, stopped him. He was fine with the back air, and then he jabbed.
I don't understand why he couldn't just pick Dreamland, and then on game 5 he goes back to FD, right?
But he won on FD.
Yeah, but after you went on another stage.
Yeah, no.
Does it work like that?
It always works like that.
Okay, so...
Unless they gentleman back to it, right? Okay, the up smash is going to seal the deal. Charles is making a good comeback. They both wipe each other's face, and, okay, he doesn't go for the shine, because he knew that Kenneth smashed the way out of the drill. And, he just did a full hop again, and then drilled him again.
Oh, he's missing the up airs. Never ducky. Even game. And we saw what happened the last even game.
Yeah.
This happened.
He's one grab to down smash equalized.
Oh, no, wait.
Yes. It's 1-1 right now. Yep. Oh my my god, Kenneth's punish was just so strong.
Okay.
Dash attack, freaking.
Oh, I like
okay,
this.
This is gonna be so close because next hit kills.
Oh, that was so sick.
That was a really good mind game.
I like how you just stay there, but.
Oh, I think he was going for an up throw and. Oh, okay, the good trade, but we got Randall. Oh no. Super close game. Holy.
Randall, oh man, that stinks. So like,
where's Charles gonna go? I think he's gonna go
Charles
battlefield.
Dash
Back to
dancing,
Yoshi's,
right?
yeah.
And
then you got him with the grab, the footsies, man.
yeah, but then so he tried to dash dance again,
Yeah.
and he messed up his dash dance.
Looking like Monsound here.
Well, he did the standing where you just like hit it like a few times while standing,
Yeah.
and that's about curtains. I don't know where Curtis went. Just left. It's up to me to commentate. Yeah, I think Charles needs to use more forward smash because it's really good. I like Charles' recovery because he doesn't get turnip smite as often as you would think versus a Peach. So it could also be on Kenneth. So Kenneth just needs to hit more turnips. Fortunately, he missed the up throw out there. That was a weird stare down. When you see a stare down like that, and someone says, you can tell how much high level mind game is going on. It really isn't that much mind games. It's just one of the players doesn't know what to do, and the other player comes up with something clever. Hey, yo, Paps!
These grand finals?
No, it's Winners Finals. What do you think of Fox Peach?
I know Kenneth doesn't like it.
Really? I didn't know that. If I were Peach, I would hate Fox Peach as well.
Yeah.
But he's winning. Oh, he pulled out a bomb. That's like a 1 in 300% chance. And then he just threw it away.
He's more important things to do, like pull turnips.
I don't know if you were... Like, Kenneth's played a lot already, and he's pulled out like a couple Stitch Faces and a fucking bomb this tournament. Like, the RNG is so real. Yo, it's Melee. Anybody's game. Anything can happen.
He's getting the real Peach skills.
No, check this out. Okay, just dash dance. Technical flow. Nice recovery though. I think Charles is scared.
Smash attack central.
The forward throw is not going to kill, but it's going to set up an edge guard. Goes for ledge.
No.
And a fist off. A fist pop off. He fist pumped. That's what it's called. A
Really
fucking
fisting.
Fist pump. He's fisting the air,
Charles
you know?
is really fisting it.
Yeah. Getting fisticuffs in here. For Charles, because fucking love Melee for that reason. You think you're down and out? Fucking anything can happen.
So who's waiting in losers?
This is losers.
This is losers. Yeah.
Why does it say winners finals?
Because I didn't change it. Okay, go change it then.
Okay, well,
Right click on it.
it's game 5 already.
Okay, go on game type. No, click on game type. Click on game type on sources. Game type. You're on image 2. Losers semi. Or no, losers quarters.
Really?
Yeah, just say losers.
Oh god.
That first match. That comeback was sick.
I keep doing
What I
that
was
by
gonna
accident.
say was
You were gonna say, right into the mic? Don't do that. Never do that.
do you have any GameCube controllers that you're trying to sell?
Yeah, you sold it already.
Yeah.
Fuck, dude.
Yeah, just now.
To who?
Sneaky.
How much?
20.
Shit, I need a new one. Was it good?
Yeah.
Sneaky.
What a scrub.
Man, so he's gonna make a profit off of this.
I hope so.
He's gonna be mad.
Really? Because you wanted to sell the Curtis? You could probably
No,
rip
'cause
Curtis.
I want that money. I want that extra.
You could probably rip Curtis off so hard. Like, did you see the platform rise under him?
Yeah.
Messed him up for a little bit. Enabled him to get shield stabbed by the up tilt.
All planned.
I don't know, it's completely RNG. Anyways, don't you hate it when you start playing high level and you realize everything's fucking shield stabbed? It's so hard.
I always get shield stabs by it feels.
I'll play against a top player and I'm just holding shield. And I realize, like, you know, I just gotta wait it out. They'll make a mistake eventually, and then I just get shield tapped.
There's some moves you can just like straight up space under a platform to shield stab.
He's selling it to me for $15 because he's taking the new analog and he's gonna
Place it.
and he's gonna put his on him. You know, and I have some at home that I'll put on there too, so he's gonna sell it for $15. Huh?
Nice guy.
So in the end, he's paying like $5 for the analog stick.
Yep.
Oh wow.
Which is good for brand new ones. The controller's brand new, right? Pretty much.
Okay.
Does it work good? Like everything?
Yeah.
It's like the C stick, the triggers.
Yeah.
He's lying.
He's lying. Lies.
Whatever, man. You get what you pay for.
He's feeling himself.
It's also
Oh my
oh
god.
the SDI.
That was SDI and a half.
That or Flood messed up. Can't really tell.
Yeah.
Oh, nice patience. That is a good game.
Like clockwork.
Like clockwork.
Oh yeah.
You got nothing, don't you?
He just told me to like.
I don't commentate, okay?
Hey guys. Hey.
What?
So Charles is on a fucking rampage right now, playing
That
against
was nice.
Tran. Came back in game 4,
You beat him?
and then beats Tran in game 5. Yes. And then playing against Kenneth, comes back in game 4 to beat him in game 5 again. He's just on a comeback train.
Champion.
So Charles has to play Waz now, and if he beats Waz, or no, he has to play Sauce. Might be. He's playing Sauce.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna see Fox Link,
Sauce Boss.
which honestly I thought we were gonna watch. What is it? Like Peach Link.
There's Fox Link like every tournament.
There's a Fox Link every tournament.
I swear there is.
Maybe at like fucking pools level. Like this is high level Fox Link. Guys, this is some like OG shit you're not gonna get anywhere else. Only on Streamland SSB.
You won't find high quality Fox Link anywhere else.
No man. I hope Sauce plays with Calvin.
No, I think today I just.
Isn't he like super
I'm
bad?
thinking.
Calvin?
Yeah. He's always playing with them.
Well, I feel like
Calvin's like
refreshed.
same as me, so yes.
Today I felt like
Why? You can play with like so much better people.
Like,
I guess they're just friends.
if I missed something or whatever, it's
In Melee?
Friends? What are those?
just like a small situation. Like, I guess I clutched it out, and so got this outcome. So I don't know. Meet again after collusion.
This is a hype tournament. I like it.
Tournament, I still haven't incorporated the because I usually wave shine up smash. So wave shine, like turn around like up to see that one. And I do it like in practice, but yeah, I want to do it in tournament because it's so.
You know any good places to get some food, some grub?
It is hard to do, but I mean I can do it.
No, I mean like
probably do it in tournament, but I'm
just
not
in general.
You know,
Once I do, I'm just gonna do it.
Like
Because like if I do it,
I'd just do all you can eat sushi.
where's like a good like shawarma place?
I think there's one down by the Cineplex Odeon.
Like south?
Yeah.
Because I just craving like a juicy shawarma. Just
Yeah?
yeah. Know what I mean?
I don't think there's like anything out here. There's like there's like random fast food if you walk a mile.
It's not a mile, but yeah, it's the pizza. It's Nepean, man. Like what can you do?
against Reggie in Concordia.
Westboro's where it's at.
We own it, and the one
Westboro.
You live in Westboro.
No, I don't live in Westboro. I live AY Stay High, you know?
Where's that?
Eleanor. It's on the Quebec side. Sounds super lame unless you say AY Stay High. Then it sounds pretty cool.
That's you have to try to.
I have to try to hype out my own hometown.
That match? Okay, you didn't stop recording, whatever.
Oh,
It doesn't matter. Keep it going. Just for no, stop recording
start recording
and
again?
then start recording.